Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to make black beans. I know when you see this color of beans, you will ask yourself question, what is this? I wouldn't blame you because same thing happened to me the first time I saw this. Also, when you see this color of beans, your mind should ask you what is the benefit that one can get from eating black beans. Black beans has a lot of benefits. Black beans maintains a healthy bone. You can also research and know the importance of these beans. Black beans is very rich in fiber. It contains a lot of protein as well. Black beans can also lower your blood pressure. Also, those that has diabetes, you can use black beans to lower your sugar level. Black beans has a way of preventing you from having heart disease. Can prevent you from having cancer. It gives you healthy digestive system. For those of us that are watching our weight, you can eat more of black beans. Black beans is very nutritious, so we are going to go ahead and start cooking it. You can see I first of all wash my beans. I'm not washing it because it's dirty. Even when you wash it, you don't see dirt in the beans, but you have to wash it because most of these beans were being protected with chemicals against the sides. Okay guys, so you give it good wash it as much as you can. It's not going to peel out the skin and is not going to bring out dirt, but you just wash it for safety reason. You cook black beans with bay leaf. That is all you need in preparing your black beans. You can use pressure cooker or you cook it in your pot. I cooked it in my pot, though it takes a longer time, but give it a low heat cooking. As long as it boils, you reduce your stove. You can see that was cooked for 30 minutes, and after 30 minutes it became soft. At that point, that is when you add your salt. Do not cook it with your salt, otherwise it's going to take forever to be soft. Once it's after 30 minutes it is soft, then you add your salt. Now you can see that my black beans is ready. So how do you eat this? You can eat black beans with rice. You can eat it like this. You can even use it to prepare your tortilla wrap. You can add it to your salad, and it goes on and on. Okay guys, just have it in mind that when you eat black beans, you are eating more of nutritious product. Your protein is rest assured. So I just want to use this opportunity to thank all my beautiful people that comes to watch my video. I really do appreciate. So please kindly like, share my videos, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. I really do appreciate. I will see you all in my next video by the grace of God. Thank you guys. You have a wonderful, blessed day. Bye bye.